guys, it's Andrea. I was just watching Just Nina and she was doing the What's in Your Refrigerator challenge. So I thought, how fun. I want to do this too. No judgment. This is going to be a hot mess. All right. Let's see. For the refrigerator. Of course, we've got some creamer and some milk, some grape juice, and some apple juice. Then we've got, what the heck is this? Oh, some leftover spaghetti, sour cream. I need to throw this out, leftovers. Some country crock. There's some Sabra hummus. Some cream cheese. This is some potted meat. Some fresh farm eggs from my mama's chickens. Some spaghetti sauce. Oh, these are the olives I just got in that Israel pack box. In here, this is the cheese and meat. Mostly cheeses. Cheddar cheese. Monterey Jack. Sliced cheddar, some more Philadelphia. Some cracker cuts, cheddar cheese. Some lunch meats and cheese. The school was giving these out for school lunches during the COVID, stuff. And of course the kids didn't like it, so there it is. And there's my HelloFresh meals that I have yet to make. The 3 of them. I did get caught up on my Every Plates. I'll update y'all on that next time. This is a mishmash of kids stuff and vegetables. There's all my garlic. There's yellow onions. There's a bunch of little baby carrots. In there, a whole bunch of them. That was from the school too. Some milks from the school. And some Lunchables. And then here, oh, apples and oranges. Oranges, apples. Looks like there's a red onion back there and a lime. I didn't know that was there. What is this? Oh, some lettuce. Some butter lettuce that the neighbors brought that over from their garden 1 or 2 nights ago. Man, I probably need to pull that out so I'll remember it's in there and eat it. Here's our leftover things from restaurants. Some butter. I just use the real butter. Stella uses that country crock. Okay, these are Stella's. She loves these things. I do too, but I don't eat them like she does, just out of the bottle. Some spray butter. I just put this on my grocery list. Ketchup, barbecue sauce, all the condiments, the usual suspects. Some more olives. And there, I keep my flour and my cornmeal in the refrigerator too. Okay. There's a couple of Yumble meals left over in the freezer, some ice packs. Bunch of kid stuff in here. Corn dogs. Totino's pizza rolls. Hamburger meat, couple pizzas. Blueberry waffles, more Yumbles. That's a meal delivery thing from a subscription box. Whoop! Chicken fries. Oh, more hamburger meat. So y'all, this freezer is ridiculous. I've got it so jam-packed with stuff. That's what I'm talking about. Embarrassing. Okay. I'll pick this up. Some pancakes. I forgot I had 2 things of hamburger meat in here. I really need to clean the freezer out. Okay. Stella and I both like these Morningstar Farms veggie sausage links. They're vegetarian. She eats literally 4 every morning. There's some biscuits. More Yumbles. These are my favorite. The vegetarian sausage patties. This is not as easy as it looks on TV. I like these. A couple of Hungry Man chicken dishes, some catfish, some shrimp. What's that back there? Another Lean Cuisine, Lost. And the veggie thing, peas and broccoli and corn on the cob. Fried okra. There's a frozen burrito. Some cheeseburgers. Uncrustables, some ice cream. Another frozen burrito. Okay. Okay. Cereal. Peanut butter and syrup. Ice cream cones. This was also from the school. A bunch of peanut butter and jelly packets. And okay, this is gonna be bad, y'all. This is crammed full. This top shelf is mostly my stuff or family stuff, like soups and vegetables. Believe it or not, the kids love spinach. They like my creamed spinach, to be exact. I put cream cheese in it. Some tuna, some chili. This is our favorite popcorn. Jolly Time cheddar. There's just a bunch of canned goods and stuff. This is the kids' shelf. Snacks on snacks on snacks. Some Slim Jims, some fruit bars, macaroni and cheese cups, all that stuff. And then there's all the spices and hot sauces, which we love. Baking stuff on top. I hardly ever bake, 'cause I'm a horrible baker, but I cook all the time. And that's it. There's my sink and my frogs. Okay, guys. Bye.